Hey there! Choosing the right payment processing solution for your business can be tough. Today, we are breaking down Stripe, Paddle, and Chargebee in just 2 minutes to help you decide which one's best for you. Let's dive in. First, Stripe. It's a powerful payment processor with a developer-friendly API, perfect for businesses of all sizes. Stripe handles online payments, supports over 135 currencies, and offers tools like Stripe billing for subscriptions and fraud prevention. It's great for e-commerce, SaaS, and even physical stores, but you'll need extra tools for global tax compliance. Pricing is per transaction, typically 2.9% plus 30 cents. Next, Paddle. Paddle is a merchant of record, meaning it handles payments, subscriptions, taxes, and compliance for you. Built for SaaS and digital products, it offers a flat 5% plus 50-cent fee per transaction, covering everything from VAT to fraud protection. It's simple to set up but less flexible for non-digital goods. Finally, Chargebee. This is a subscription management platform that integrates with payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. It's ideal for SaaS businesses needing complex billing like tiered pricing or metered billing. Chargebee automates subscriptions, invoicing, and dunning, but requires a payment gateway and has monthly fees starting at $249 for scaling businesses. Now, let's compare. Stripe shines for flexibility and global reach, perfect for e-commerce or startup needing custom solutions. Paddle's all-in-one approach is a lifesaver for SaaS businesses wanting to offload tax headaches. Chargebee is best for complex subscription models but needs a separate processor. Here is a quick look. So, which is best? Choose Stripe for versatility, Paddle for simplicity and compliance, or Chargebee for robust subscription management. Pick based on your business needs. Thanks for watching. Check your options and let us know your pick in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.